नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मी सचिन पाटील कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल टू अचीव्ह सक्सेस या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. MPSC आणि UPSCसाठी एक महत्त्वाचा ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे मॅथ्स ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट येतो, ज्याच्यामध्ये पेपर 1मध्ये आपल्याला 250 मार्क बघायला मिळतात. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हा एक महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक आहे, ज्याच्यावरती 40 ते 50 मार्काचे क्वेश्चन विचारले जातातच आणि त्यामुळं हा टॉपिक पूर्ण पेपरमध्ये 20% वेटेज आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. मग या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण फॉर्म्युलेशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर फर्स्ट डिग्री डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, त्याचे वेगवेगळे टाईप्स आपण बघितले. त्याच्यानंतर इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर आणि इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर काढण्यासाठीचे दोन रूल नंबर 1 आणि रूल नंबर 2. रूल नंबर 1 इज रिलेटेड विथ एम डी एक्स प्लस एन डी वाय इज इक्वल टू 0. याच्यामध्ये एम आणि एन हे जर होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स असतील तर आपण 1 डिवाइड बाय एम एक्स प्लस एन वाय हे इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर घेऊन त्याला सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. दुसरा रूल म्हणजेच काय, तर एम डी एक्स प्लस एन डी वाय इज इक्वल टू 0 हे F1 XY इंटू वाय इंटू डी एक्स प्लस F2 XY इंटू एक्स इंटू डी वाय अशा स्वरूपात जर असेल तर त्यावेळी आपल्याला इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर म्हणून 1 डिवाइड बाय एम एक्स मायनस एन वाय हा आपल्याला घ्यावा लागतो आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याला सॉल्व्ह केलं जातं. आपल्याला आता रूल नंबर 3 सांगायचा आहे. रूल नंबर 3चा जर विचार केला, वन्स अगेन लेट इट कन्सिडर इफ mx m into dx plus n into dy is equal to 0 is such that 1 divided by n into dou m by dou m by dou x dou y minus dou n by dou x is that what 1 divided by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is a function of x. Let it consider it is a f of x is there, or what you can say, it is a g of x. Then integration factor is a raised to integration g of x dx. G of x dx is there. Okay, integration factor is a raised to integration g of x dx is there. And rule number 4, if m into dx plus n into dy is equal to 0 such that 1 divided by m, let we have to consider here 1 divided by m into dou n by dou y minus dou m by dou x is a function of y. Here you will get the function of x is here, and here you will get the function of y is here, and let it be g of y. Then integrating factor is a raised to integration g of y into dy. Okay, these are the two rules related with the non-exact differential equation. To making the exact differential equation, we find out the integration factor, and this integration factor related with it is nothing but e raised to integration g of x into dx, and related with it is integration factor is equal to e raised to integration g of y into dy is there. Okay, and according to that we have to find the we have to solve the examples related with these two rules are there. Okay, a little bit of mistake here. I am just correct it here, dou n by dou x, and here dou m by dou y is here, and this is the function of y. Then you are going with the integration factor e raised to integration g of y into dy is there. Okay, and according to that we have to find out the solution of the differential equation using these two rules are there. Okay, we solve the equation, and it is a consider or m is equal to here x cube plus xy raised to 4, and n is equal to 2y cube is there. Okay, and according to Rule number 3, we first of all find out 1 divided by m into dou m by dou I minus dou n by dou x is here. And for this purpose, first of all, we have to carry out a partial differential equation. Dou m by dou I is here, and therefore dou m by dou I is equal to dou y of x cube plus xy raised to 4 is there. And partial derivative with respect to y, therefore x is a constant, and therefore derivative of this is equal to 0, plus x is taken constant here, and derivative of this, derivative of y raised to 4 is equal to 4 into y raised to 3 is there. Okay, and according to that, dou m by dou y is equal to 4xy cube. Similarly, we can find out the dou n by dou x is there, and dou n by dou x is equal to 0. Dou n by dou x is equal to 0, and therefore dou m by dou I is not equal to dou n by dou x is here, and therefore we get 1 divided by m into dou m by dou I minus dou n by dou x is here, and it is 1 divided by m. What is the value of m? M is nothing but x cube plus xy raised to 4 into dou n by dou x is nothing but a 4xy cube is there. Okay, and we simplify, x is taken out and cancel. You will get the value of 4y cube divided by x square plus y raised to 4 is here. X square plus y raised to 4 is there. Okay, and what is the mistaken? Oh, sorry. Here I am taking a m. It is a n, and so you will get the here just by mistake. I am taking a wrong term here. 1 divided by n is equal to 1 divided by 2y cube into what is the value of this is 4x raised to y cube, and therefore y cube cancel to each other, y cube cancel to each other, 2x, and this is the value of g of x. G of x is nothing but a 1 divided by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is here, and it is having value 2x is here, and therefore 2x. Then we find out the integration factor. Integration factor is equal to e raised to integration g of x into dx is there, and according to that, integration 2x into dx is there, and therefore e raised to x square, it is your integration factor. Integration factor is this one, and now we make this non-exact differential equation convert into exact differential equation by multiplying integration factor, and therefore you will get the integration factor multiply e raised to x square to non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation, that is this equation, and you will get the e raised to x square into x cube plus x into y raised to 4 into dx plus 2 e raised to x square into y cube into dy is equal to 0, and this is your exact differential equation. So that m is equal to e raised to x square x cube plus xy raised to 4, and n is equal to 2x e raised to x square y cube is there. Okay, now we want to find out the f is equal to integration y kept constant and e raised to x square into x cube plus x into y raised to 4 is there, okay, into dx, because we're taking a y as a constant, and therefore taking x common from this, you will get the what you can say, e raised to x square into x into x square plus y raised to 4 into dx. Now put t is equal to x square, and therefore t is the function of x. T is the function of x, therefore taking the derivative of t with respect to x, and dt divided by just a moment, dt divided by dx is equal to 2x, and it implies that x is equal to dx is equal to dt divided by 2x, and putting those values inside the f, you will get the final result. F is equal to integration e raised to t into t plus y raised to 4 and dx is replaced by dt divided by x into dx replaced by dt divided by 2x. X cancel to each other, and you will get the 1/2 integration e raised to t into t plus y raised to 4 into dt is here, and 1/2 inside the bracket integration t e raised to t into t dt plus y raised to 4 is a constant, and e raised to t into dt is there, okay. And after that you find out the integration of this by using a integration by parts, and according to integration by parts, that means what, integration uv dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx into integration of v dx into dx. This is the rule related with it, and according to that you will get the final result for that one, 1/2, and here LIATE rule is used. Logarithmic function, inverse trigonometry, algebraic, then trigonometry, and then exponential. Therefore this is the exponential function, and which is taken as a second function, that means a v, and therefore you will get the integration of this u taken as it is, that means t, into integration of e raised to t into dt minus taking a derivative of u, that means derivative of t is nothing but a 1 into integration of e raised to t into dt, then plus y raised to 4, and integration of this is e raised to t, okay. And I have this rule, and then taking the integration 1/2 t into e raised to t minus, what is the integration, e raised to t, and once again integration e raised to t plus y raised to 4 e raised to t is here, and taking e raised to t common, you will get the e raised to t divided by 2 inside the bracket, t minus 1 plus y raised to 4 is there, and this is a f. Then we find out the g. For this purpose we have to take the integration of n with respect to x, but n does not contain any term without x and constant term, therefore the integration of this is 0, and therefore final result is f plus g is equal to c, and this is nothing but a e raised to t 1/2 t minus 1 plus y raised to 4 is equal to c. Putting the value of t, you will get the final result, e raised to x square inside the bracket x square minus 1 plus y raised to 4 is equal to c, and this is nothing but a solution, final solution of that differential equation is there, okay. Are you getting my point? जर तुम्हाला हे समजलं असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.